This is a 2023 BMW X4 xDrive30i, and it's the best looking modern BMW SUV. So today we are going to review it and see whether it drives as well as it looks or not. This car comes with a B48 engine that makes 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.3 seconds, and it has a top speed limit of 210 kilometers per hour. Am I the only one who doesn't do top speeds on their car? Jesus. But this car has a few modifications done to the engine bay. First of all, FTP charge pipe, FTP intake pipe, a catless downpipe, and an Arma Speed air intake. But BMW started locking ECUs from mid-2022 onwards, so this car being a 2023, it's not tuned because you can't tune it, because if you want to tune it, you have to take the ECU out, ship it to some hackers who are sitting in a dark room in Finland. They will do some magic, they will unlock your ECU, they'll send it back to you, you'll lose your warranty. If you take your car back to BMW, they're gonna flash it back to stock, which means you have to spend more money again and wait another week for the hackers to tune it. So it's such a hassle to tune these cars. So this car is not tuned yet. But however, it does have an XHP Stage 3 transmission tune, so you do get harder shifts. Apparently they don't lock TCUs at BMW, just ECUs, because they don't want us to have fun anymore. This B48 X4 also comes with a Veleno exhaust. So let's hear what it sounds like. In terms of looks, this car looks absolutely stunning from the factory, but that wasn't enough for the owner. So this car has yellow DRLs, carbon fiber grills, carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber side mirrors, carbon fiber side skirt, a carbon fiber spoiler, and a carbon fiber diffuser. That is so much carbon fiber. If that wasn't enough carbon fiber, it even has a carbon fiber steering wheel. I feel poor already. How much were they? Holy f***. Just the front? Oh my God. On top of that, this car has X4M wheels and endless brake kit, because you need endless braking with this car. So let's go ahead and take this car out for a drive and see what it feels to actually drive. First experience driving the X4 xDrive30i.
Start recording emergency video.
Start recording emergency video?
This is dash cam.
Why emergency? What emergency are we in? The car feels very normal.
Recording complete.
Thank you. Jesus, bro, that's it?
Yeah.
I feel sorry for you. Is it because the AC is on?
I don't think so.
This thing is proper slow, bro. All that for 120? At least the brakes are really good.
Yeah.
Car is really slow. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm being honest. It's a review, and I'm also very spoiled. The intake sounds amazing. The brakes are freaking cool. So much better than my car. Bro, you need it too.
I know.
Like, no, I'm not even kidding.
I know.
First impression driving the X4 xDrive30i. This car feels very normal. This car actually feels like a car. It doesn't feel like an SUV, and that is a compliment, because I don't like SUVs. This car is very firm. It's on H&R springs. It feels great to drive. The only complaint that I have about this car is that it's a little underpowered for the chassis, which is nothing you can't solve just with a downpipe and tune, which this car already has a downpipe. The exhaust sounds really good for a 2.0, and the car feels really tight in terms of handling for an SUV. A lot of you might not know this, but I kind of sometimes daily drive an X5 45e, and this is a much better handling car than that car. That car feels like a boat. This car feels like a proper car. I would very much rather have one of these than the X5. The car burbles stock. Kind of a maniac at BMW tuned this thing. And when you put it in comfort, it's actually quite comfortable. Jack, what do you think about the exhaust? Should I put one of these on my car?
Yes.
Yeah, sounds good for a 2.0, right? Hello. You sound amazing for a 2.0. Where's your exhaust pipe?
I got 2.
You got 2. Holy shit. Honestly, in terms of power, it feels exactly like my F30 before the tune. One thing that's very interesting about this car comes with the same engine as my car. My temps are normally at like 75 to 90, even on full like hammering. This car is at 110. The X5 is also a hybrid, and it's still at 110. It's weird to me how BMW is doing these cars. Anyways, so what do I think about the X4 30i? This car looks amazing, handles amazing, stops amazing. I would either get one with a B58, which are very rare where I'm at, or get it tuned. This is an absolutely menacing looking car. Just needs a little bit more oomph. What do you think about your car, bro?
It's slow.
Don't feel bad. I'm also slow. He is very slow.
I have to wait.
Thank you for having me drive your car. I'm sorry for saying it's slow.
No, it's fine.
I mean, I'm a fan of this look, if you noticed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until next video, subscribe.